Okay, so I want to go over how I flip like parties so that I can give somebody the $0 host exclusive kit. So I'm going to go here and look at my open orders. I'm going to use this party right here as an example. See, it's showing me as the host, Mallory Eves. Edit orders. Okay, so let me add another guest so we can keep the PRV where it needs to be. This is my test customer. Save and add products to cart. Okay, so let's pretend this customer is like just anything that you've collected from this party. So people that order through your website and that attach it to this party, or your host has people who ordered and they wanted to, they have their individual order here. So let's say air purifier. For an example, that is not what I wanted to do. I want to do that. Okay. So let's pretend that this person is going to buy two, air purifiers. So right now it's showing me as having $75 of host credit and 3 half-price items. Well, what if I want to give somebody that host kit for $0? I cannot have that in my cart, so I have to change the host of who is here, okay? If you have anything that you personally want, so let's say you want this Scarlet Sunflower Body Bundle. Okay, if you add that to your cart for your, sorry, let me go here. Let's see. Okay, so again, okay, so let's just say that this is sitting here as one of the half-price credits, okay? You are going to want to take down notes of whatever it was that you have in your cart that you want as your rewards before you flip this host, because I'm going to leave it here and show you how it disappears when you flip it. Let's see. So, edit details at the top. We're going to leave the name alone. It's fine. Uncheck consultant as host. And then, let me see. Do I have another test person? No. Let's see. I guess this one. Okay, so I'm changing this to, let's pretend it's another Katie. That's going to be the host, somebody else, right? The shipping address for this party is going to be my address as the consultant. So you leave it as my address, not the host address. Okay. Save and continue. Okay, add orders to party. And then go to the shopping carts. So now it says hosted by Katie Eves. So pretend that that's somebody else, not me. Obviously that's me, but somebody else. So you see how what I picked out before is gone? That's okay, but now I could put in the kit and click whatever language, probably English. When you add it to the cart, it's going to automatically generate an email to that person. This is, I'm not obviously not gonna finish this registration, but I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm gonna hit add for English, and then see right there, host exclusive starter kit was added to your cart and email has been sent to your host. And see right here, this is what your host is going to get, and they have 24 hours to fill that email out. If not, you'll have to redo it. So obviously I'm not doing that. I want to take it back out, or I'll leave it there for now. But when your new host and then your new teammate fills out the paperwork online that they're supposed to do, when they click this, so when they finish that, it'll say that you have a pending enrollment. It'll be like a green line up here. I'm not going to go that far. There are screenshots in Workstation under a different training document I'll pull up at the end of this video. But see, you have $16 left, right? This kit is going to ship to their address regardless of where all of the rest of the rewards are going. So remember, we have the shipping address as me, like as the consultant, so I can go and add stuff I want. So let's just say 2 room sprays. Okay, so I've used the rest of the host credit for myself. You don't have to gift that to your new teammate. And then my half price credits, I'll say, okay. And then, of course, don't forget you have your perpetual party reward. Again, this perpetual party reward can be assigned to anyone because it's still going to be shipped to, all of these rewards get shipped to the address of the consultant, because that's what we left it as my address. So let's just say filter. Okay. So when you go to the retail cart over here, it's showing that, and then you have this balance, whatevs. You've got the kit there. It's not coming to you. It's going to your new teammate. The rest of the stuff is coming to you. And then let's just say checkout. Okay, so then you have your payment here. I feel like I'm surprised that it's not warning you that you have an incomplete kit. Okay, well, so you need to be watching for that. Don't process this party until you have that kit, like that person signed up for that kit. So let me clear all this really quick, because I'm removing that. So the link in the email I got won't populate, since I took it out of their cart. If they didn't fill it out in that 24-hour timeline from when you first put it in the cart for them to join with the host kit, you can just take it out of the host credit cart and put it back in, and it'll regenerate a new email. Like, let me show you. Let's see. Let's go back. I'll show you. It'll just redo it. Okay, so we did that again for an example. I can put it right back in there for English. Okay. See, it's done the same thing, and I got a new email. So you have the opportunity, it's going to be okay if you delete it for some reason. They can just redo it. And there's no payment due at the time that they process that's registration. Okay, let's go to training really quickly. View all training, flip. So this is where you're really going to dig into some more stuff. I'm not going to be redundant, but I'm going to try to show you the video. This lesson right here is where you want, I believe. Okay, there's the FAQ example here. Okay, this is what I want you to see. Annie Smith has enrolled as a consultant since the start of the party. So, do you want to flip this party? No or yes. And then you can choose if you want to include the PRV from the website orders. But you can toggle those as off, and that means that you will keep the commission on that party. And they're just getting the $0 out-of-pocket host exclusive kit. So they're still benefiting a lot because they're getting to start this business. No out-of-pocket cost, no risk to them, and you're still benefiting from getting the commission on that party. So if you are feeling super generous and maybe they worked to get every single order and you didn't, they were super proactive and these are all their customers that they brought to you, then maybe you'll want to consider flipping that PRV to them so that they can go ahead and start off with their customer base and you know, possibly if they're at that 500 mark, hit that shooting star award and be like off to a great start. So that, you know, that's a business decision that you'll have to think of and consider every time you do this. And it's case by case, you know. And then you can go through and read all of this if you want, but I'm gonna stop rambling, and hopefully this is helpful. Okay, bye.